Easy now, Craft fam. It's your boy Gilmaster G, and today we've got another diorama. This one is my little Goblin Bar scene. So I 3D printed the pieces on my anycubic mono 4K, and I painted them all up, and I've had them on a little display for a little while, but I thought I needed to put them in something a little bit better on. I've used a drawer from an old wooden unit that we no longer use. Took the drawer out and used wooden matchsticks for the sides and a dowel for the structure of the sort of veranda, and lollipop sticks for the floorboards and the table. I also used a Jenga block that I sliced up for the little crate up there, and there's a little chest that you can just about see. I still want to put an LED in the top to give it a little bit of lighting, but I'm really impressed with how this has come along, considering that it's not really cost anything. But let me know what you think about it, and if you like them, then I'll continue to make little dioramas and stuff like this. Anyway, peace.